In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Firstly, go to the QuickBooks Online website and sign in with your credentials. From the left side panel, click Taxes. Select Payroll Tax and under the Fillings section, click Resources. Under Fillings and Forms, select W-2s and under the W-2 section, click W-2 Copies B, C, and 2 Employee. Now click the Manage W-2 button to see the options such as List of employees needing printed W-2s, option to invite employees to QuickBooks Workforce. To change printing settings, click Change Setting, which redirects the Payroll Settings page. Under the Form W-2 Printing, click the pencil icon to select paper type, like plain paper, 4-part perforated paper, or 3-part perforated paper. Optionally, order a W-2 kit from QuickBooks if needed, then click Save and then Done. When ready, click View and Print at the bottom right. W-2 forms will open as a PDF. Just press Ctrl+P or use the print icon to print the forms.